Happy 6th of November 2024 with just 6 degrees Celsius in the air. Yep, that's right, it is 6 degrees in the air and I am out for another beach adventure today. And I have chosen today to check this spot that is overlooking Ågesta Nudist Beach, Ågesta Nature Reserve. It is around 150 meters across the beach that I have shown you several times before, but today I decided to check out how it is over here in this secluded nice beach spot that can be also known as a spontaneous one, as it is in the nature reserve, and it's a bit more wild than the nudist beach over there that's more maintained. So I just wanted to see how it is on this side, because I haven't been here. It's my very first time here. As you can see, it is quite a nice forest here, and here you can see my Scott gravel bike that got me here. 8 kilometers, less than 20 minutes. It was a nice ride indeed. So we can oversee the forest area on the other side, and there is even a bench here as well. And my new winter shoes, I have first time today I'm wearing them. I have bought them actually last year, but it was obviously summer. They were on sale and they were quite nice. McKinley, it's a trademark from Intersport. So yes, but now I'm bare feet, and it is a bit tricky with the wind ongoing, and it is 6 degrees Celsius in the air only. In the water, however, it is slightly warmer. It is 8 degrees Celsius. So right over here I'm at the area where the cross-country skiing track begins, just a few hundred meters away in that direction. So yes, they are reconstructing the track. It is gonna be longer this year, and hopefully they can start pumping the snow soon when the temperatures get colder. So that on the other side you can see Ågesta Nature Reservat that I've already shown you several times before, so I wanted today to show you something else. So this is the beach across the Ågesta Nudist Beach, but it's also in the same nature reserve of Ågesta. And obviously there is nobody either on the nudist beach or here today for a swim. It is only me. No surprises there. And beach day number 195 of my Sweden beach adventures. So yesterday I had a little bit of a hiccup with the beach adventure during lunchtime, as the footage, as the SD card on my camera got broken, or I don't know, something happened with it. So I'm now trying to retrieve that footage, but I did make a backup video later in the evening in the darkness, in case that video doesn't show up. So watch out for one or two of them depending on how it goes with the recovery of my micro SD card. So Lake Magelungen, it is 8 degrees here, but on the other side of Magelungen, where I went yesterday in the darkest hours, in the dark hours, it was 6 degrees. So here it is slightly warmer. However, now we have also a bit of a wind, so it feels colder than that. So let's carry on with the beach adventure for today with the quick dip here. Now this is a new area for me, so I need to be careful here. Let's see, here we have a rocky entrance that I'm usually used to if you have been watching my other videos, and it is very, very slippery. I almost fell, but I will do my best to take some kind of a swim or dip here anyway. It's so slippery indeed. Alright, so time for the dip of today, 6th of November, 6 degrees Celsius in the air. It is 12 o'clock exactly, so let's go! Quite nice. Quite nice indeed. refreshing, at least. See, it's not that cold, as my body is already acquainted to this type of cold waters, so I'm no stranger to the cold waters indeed. So that's a wrap from the beach adventure for today from Ågesta, this beach spot across the nudist beach of Ågesta that you can see over there how it looks like. So thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.